Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video, friend, I will share you beautiful potential ideas. So I hope friends you enjoy my videos. So viewers, let's start today video. So friends, my first idea is weavers. Button flower art. This craft is very easy and colorful. Take a paper or canvas, choose green color to draw strings. No paste, button as flowers. Use different size and color. Let it dry properly. Your beautiful flower art is ready. Button photo frame. Photo frame with button. Take a simple frame. Apply glue on the edge. Now stick buttons all around. This color for a fun look. Let it dry completely at your favorite picture. Now your cute frame is ready. So friends, button heart decoration and weavers. And the whispers. And friends, draw a heart shape or paper, apply glue inside the shape. Now fill it with buttons. Use red, pink or mixed color. This look perfect for gifts. Try the simple and lovely crafts. So I hope viewers you enjoy my videos. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest updates. So viewers, Allah Hafiz, see you in the next video. Take care and viewers, Khuda Hafiz.